Hey guys, it's your girl Mary. And if you want to know how I got this wig to look like this, it look good, don't it? Then stay tuned. That one right there, she's a real one. That's why she's showing up in her henna t-shirt on YouTube's. A real one. Okay, so I bet you didn't know this video comes with a story time. So have you ever ordered a wig that arrived less desirable than expected? Well, that was the case with this one. So when it arrived, it had scraggly ends that I could do nothing with, and the color was just not quite right. The highlights were too chunky and super brassy. So what I did was I soaked the wig in purple shampoo for about 24 hours. And that's how I got the color that you see here. I also chopped the ends to a nice blunt, long bob cut, which really improved the texture of the wig and made it look a lot healthier. So those scraggly ends went bye-bye. My reason for purchasing this wig is that I was looking for a blonde highlighted wig with some nice highlights such as this one, but wasn't sure if I could achieve it by myself if I tried to dye the wig by myself. And so when I saw this wig on AliExpress, like I'm sure most of us do, you're like, oh, this is the look I'm going for, let me go ahead and try it. But like I mentioned before, it didn't quite come the way that I expected. It wasn't customized to my liking. So I couldn't really get it to the place where it was wearable for me without a lot of customization. And that's the interesting thing about wigs. It's not really one size fits all because all of us have our different tastes. And so after soaking this wig in purple shampoo for 24 hours, I was able to tone down the brassiness of the blonde parts, but also bring out the brown tones in the wig, which was really nice because I like a more like chocolate brown wig and I like that color on my skin tone. So I was able to achieve that along with the nice subtle highlights, which was really cool. So here I go. I'm going to apply the wig with Esha Lace Bond Glue, and I'm going to use a edge control tool that I got from Amazon that actually has a little spatula at the end to apply the glue. So I lift the wig high and put it on to place it on top of where I laid the glue. So be really careful with this part. I wanted to make sure that the hairline was where I wanted it to be. Notice that I haven't yet cut the lace because I find that it is a much smoother and laid process, and the lace lays quite nice when you cut the lace after laying it down with glue or got to be or whatever you happen to be laying your wig down with. Now this is the part that I, and I'm sure you all, struggle with. The ears. Always struggle with the ears. So I carefully cut around my ear, making sure that the wig fits comfortably behind my ear and there's no irritation without losing that sideburn piece, because that's what really helps the wig lay really nicely and looks really good. And then I go on to cut my lace, starting from the middle and then cutting around the hairline. Ooh, 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 that looks good. Clearly, I'm excited about what I was able to accomplish here. Then I go ahead and cut off the other side. And then I move on to tying and wrapping the hair really quickly with a scarf so that everything can lay down while I get ready to do my makeup. And stay tuned for the final result. So the story of the Mori is, don't judge a wig by its arrival. Work with what you have, make it your own, customize it to your liking, and you'll get a bomb unit like this one is now. If you enjoyed this video and like videos like these, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.